It's a sad day today as we mourn the death of gospel artist Dennis Mwago's wife. Nokoro Moeta Mwago Dennis Favored, which is the name he goes by on social media platforms, and he lost his wife yesterday. He took to his social media pages on Facebook to pen this painful tribute to his wife. Akuga, it will never be a goodbye for him. And he wrote this: I wish I was dreaming. I wish I could wake you up one more time. I am lost. I am broken. I am terrified. I am hurt and deconstructed. We've fought so hard in this journey. This is not what we deserved. Why are you not going to bid us goodbye? What about these little children? What do I tell them? De meraga wathire ko waithira. Rest well, my wife. It's never a goodbye from me. She had been ill for quite some time now. She had been battling an illness, but sadly she has succumbed. And also Karango Muraya has taken to his Facebook page to mourn with the family of Mwago Dennis Akimomiriria Kiuga. We may fail to understand what you are feeling, but may Jehovah comfort you, my brother Mwago Dennis. May the soul of your lovely wife rest in eternal peace. Pole sana, bro. Ona Marilyn Konyasa Kaite na Mwago Dennis akiuga rest in peace girl. Huyu msichana hakika amejaribu kamefight kabisa na ugonjwa. It is well, may she rest in eternal peace. Our condolences to Mwago Dennis and his entire family. May she rest in eternal peace. Na Mwago Dennis niacokete agacokeria andu othe ngatho aria mamumiriirie aria macakaite nake akiuga thanks all and God bless you for your messages and calls. May she rest in eternal peace. And do not forget subscribe for the latest Kikuyu celebrity news.